Morning guys, it's Tim from Advancing Car Technologies, and today we've been working on this awesome Mercedes SL400. It is a convertible, so a hardtop cabriolet, and it's 3 years old, so 2016. So it's driven all the way down from London to have an OEM style but aftermarket reversing camera. So just quickly before we get inside the vehicle, I'll just show you the camera that we've installed. It's a lovely type of wedge camera. Hopefully you can see that there. So from the back of the vehicle, it will actually look quite OEM and sort of quite unnoticeable. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into the car and we'll show you how it works. We've had to go a bit freelance today and use a mobile phone to video instead of the camera because we can't get a camera inside this car, but we'll pop it inside and have a look. We are doing it in our workshop because the weather's terrible, so excuse the fact that you're going to see speakers and lights on the camera, and we'll jump in now. Okay, so we've just quickly jumped in the car and we'll fire it up just so you can see what we see when we go into reverse. So we pop the engine on, and because it is an automatic gearbox, we've got the control shift down here. So when Rich pops into reverse, straight away we see our guidelines. It's got the Mercedes style feel to it, and we've also retained the parking sensor feature just over here. So when Rich moves the steering wheel, you get the moving guidelines that come up on the screen. Now, like always in everything, it's just a guide, so you have to take it with a pinch of salt, in that it's just going to be showing you a trajectory of where the car is going to end up. So it's not the exact same size as your vehicle, it's just going to show you where you're going to end up. But considering that this is an aftermarket system that is designed to work and feel like a genuine system, it does pretty well, and it keeps in styling and in keeping with the aesthetics of the vehicle. We've got no aftermarket screens, the camera looks pretty decent from the rear, and overall it's a good job. So if you've got a Mercedes that's got this type of audio system and you want an OEM style reversing camera, and then just get in touch with us, we'll be able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching.